Good Monday morning, everybody. This is Spencer Ripley, Barwood Cabinets. We're bringing you today with a video. We have a video series called Monday Morning Mistakes with Cabinets. Trying to start your week off right and try to eliminate the mistakes that are made in cabinetry design, cabinetry install, anything dealing with cabinetry. So we've had about 5 or 6 videos so far. I'm trying to do one every Monday of the week throughout the whole year for you. One that I came across here at this job site is where the countertop, at the normal depth of a countertop, 25.5 inches in deep from back to front, the double oven cabinet next to it is back further, so the countertop sticks out. Now normally with the refrigerator panels, which is on the opposite side of the kitchen, we normally bring our panels out the same depth as our countertop. That way the countertop has something to die into. You could do the exact same thing with your double oven cabinets. So instead of a 24-inch deep cabinet, you would increase the depth to 25.5 or 26 inches. That way, this part right here that sticks out from the cabinet would be covered. Your cabinet would come out the exact same distance. Can't do it on every design that you're going through, but if it's possible, it's a great look and it's a finishing touch that separates you from all the sameness in all the different cabinet companies. So again, double oven cabinets, refrigerator panels, anything that is a tall unit, you can bring it out the same depth as your countertop. Not all manufacturers do this. If you're using an import brand, normally those only come 24 inches deep, but you can be creative and bring it 24 inches, bring it out and cover the back with a skin material. That way it looks like a complete depth of 25.5 inch cabinet when it's actually only 24. If you're using a semi-custom or a custom brand, normally you can get that done from the manufacturer. I hope this helps you out. Look forward to seeing you next Monday.